A Lake Alice torture survivor is taking the government to court, saying its compensation to victims of abuse in state care is abysmal and also illegal. Political reporter Glenn McConnell has more.
Tortured by the state.
They carried me naked and threw me in a cold bath of water and then shocked me again. And to this day, I try and drink a glass of water and I get the shakes and I can't drink.
Malcolm Richards is continuing his fight for justice against the Crown.
Someone's got to say enough is enough and you can't walk over us anymore.
Last year, the government finally admitted that the patients of Lake Alice, who were children, had been tortured.
It was wrong and it should never have happened.
The government set up a redress system for that torture, offering a $150,000 payment or the opportunity for individual compensation, which will be determined by an arbitrator.
For them, the sort of money that the government's talking about is completely inadequate. So that's why we need a tribunal.
$150,000 doesn't make up just for the loss of income. It doesn't cover the rehabilitation we require.
I want my kids to be recognised that they have had to deal with my shit through this whole process. I want them to be reimbursed, my grandkids to be reimbursed.
Richards is taking the case to the High Court, arguing the government is breaching international law by not having a more independent and victims-focused redress scheme.
We are working through improving the redress system, as you know, and we'll have Erica Stanford will have something to say about that very soon.
It's been a decades-old fight for Richards. He went to the United Nations in 2018 and won a case against the government. It's a fight he's continued while dealing with lifelong illnesses, including cancer, which he believes are the result of torture. You were meant to be receiving cancer treatment today. Why is it so important for you that you continue this fight?
Cancer treatment's easy to change the date. This isn't. The date got changed 7 months ago when my heart packed up and I had to have a triple bypass, so another few weeks isn't, in the scheme of things, going to make a big difference. This is.
And the fight will continue.
Nightmares of what happened never go away. It will continue for the rest of my life, no matter what comes.
Richard says he'll go all the way back to the United Nations in Geneva if he has to.